Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable autocorrect in your notepad on Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to launch the notepad app on your PC like this and click on settings gear icon like this, and then scroll down. At the end you can get the option autocorrect. So just you need to enable this option from here, that's it. Okay, now it will enable the autocorrect on your notepad. When you type wrong words on your notepad, so it will correct automatically, so by its own. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.